See, that is like a dolphin. The clouds here is like a dolphin. And the other one, it is like an ostrich. This one is like an ostrich. And this one is like a dolphin in water. Wow, very beautiful, very, very, very beautiful. But imagine it is some clouds. There are some clouds. Not what you think. When you are nani? Eh? When you are nani? Kwenu ni wapi? Actually, I'm asking the kid where the home is. And she's alone, as you can see. I don't know what she's doing here. Hello, hello. Unafanya nini hapa? Unafanya nini hapa? Nenda nyumbani. Nenda nyumbani. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kerry. Today I brought you here. It's a kind of I brought my shoes to a shoemaker, like a fundi here, the way we call him in Kenya here. The one who does my shoes here. These shoes, I love them so much. That's why I have brought them to repair them. See how this hole is. You can see here. The shoes is very nice. See how they are. This one said they are second-hand shoes, but I have been using them and I like them. That's why I have brought them for some repair here. So here in Kenya we don't throw away shoes. If something has been spoiled, you don't give out, because you are supposed to give out something that is nice to people, so that even if someone says thank you, it goes for a blessing. But today here, this one I have to bring to the phone so that he can repair here, so that I will continue wearing them. It's a kind of shoes that I love them so much. You can see they are almost new as you can see them here. See how they are. And here we are almost at the border of Tanzania and Kenya here. Tanzania is in the other side. You can see the cars going to the side here at the border of Tanzania and Kenya here. I welcome you to my channel. As you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel and leave some comments, so that's a better way of supporting me here at the village. Let me show you the fundo is going to make my shoes. Here he is. Say hello to my face.
Hello. My name is William and I'm a fundi in a village of Nyabuhansi. This is a kind of work which I'm doing here to get soap or sugar and whatever for my family. This work I started it in 1993. After my college, I did leather work and shoe repair. So here at Nyabuhansi, where I'm living and working doing such a work.
He's a hard-working man, as you can see here. He's very hard-working. This is his, it's like a car or a bicycle that is
a wheelchair.
It is a wheelchair for him that he uses to come here. Here we are near the border of Tanzania here, and this is the kind of work he's doing here every day in his daily life to get some food. It's a very hard-working. Kindly subscribe my channel and give some support. One day I may help him, and so that he will appreciate his work as he is doing here at the Easter working man. He's a hard working man. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe to my channel and leave some comments here. As you are new here, kindly subscribe and leave some comments. Thank you so much. Ciao, ciao. Bye bye. See here now how beautiful it is. He has already made here. You can see how it is. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. You see, he's so hard working here. He's doing his work as much as you have 2 hands that you can do any kind of job. You can work hard as God gives you the strength just to encourage you to do some work that you are supposed to do. We can talk as you can hear.
Here now, after when I've made it for a customer like that, the customer need to pay back.
How much?
Now I'll take 50 shillings Kenyan money.
50 shillings Kenyan money, that's like, I think it is $5. Is it $5? Or $0.5? $0.5. Yeah, that's it. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. As you continue supporting me here in the village, these are the kind of people we are supposed to support here. As long as God gives us the strength, that's it. We wake up in the morning and do what God has planned for us. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.